Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share how to make bitter gourd chips in the air fryer. This is gluten-free and vegan snack. It is not a deep fried, so it is a guilt-free and a healthy snack too. Bitter gourd is also known as bitter melon, Kakarakaya in Telugu, Pavakkai in Tamil and Karela in Hindi. I have also shared some tips to reduce the bitterness from the bitter gourd in this video. You can also deep fry the bitter gourd for chips. Bitter gourd has a lot of health benefits, so it is good to include it in your diet. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let's get started. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. My kids love bitter gourd. I'm using freshly picked bitter gourd. I'm taking 1 medium and 2 small sized bitter melons. If you have 2 medium sized bitter melons, it works great for this recipe. Wash the bitter melon and chop them into thin slices. If you want, you can remove these seeds. I don't mind to make bitter melon chips with the seeds. To eliminate some bitterness from the bitter gourd, add half teaspoon of salt to it. Mix it well. You can also add them into tamarind water to remove the bitterness. Close it and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, squeeze out the water. This will eliminate some bitterness from the bitter gourd. Now add besan flour, also known as chickpea flour, rice flour, turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder or paprika, salt, pepper and oil. Mix it well. You can use any oil. Adjust the spice level and salt according to your taste. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water according to your consistency. Let it sit for 5 minutes. By the time we preheat the air fryer. In your air fryer, select air fry option and set the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit and time for 20 minutes. Preheat it for 3 minutes. Grease the pan and spread the bitter gourd in the tray or basket and cook it for 20 minutes. Shake the basket or stir the bitter gourd chips in halfway. The cooking time may vary depends on the air fryer. Try it with a little quantity for the first time. It's done in 20 minutes for me. It's so crisp. Can you hear it? Our bitter gourd chips are ready in the air fryer. Enjoy it with a cup of hot coffee on side. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.